Start. The full form of NITI Ayog is National Institution for Transforming India. It is a public policy think tank of the Government of India. It was established with the aim of to achieve sustainable development goals with cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom-up approach. Its initiatives include AMRUT, Digital India, Atal Innovation Mission, reforms in medical education, agriculture reforms, Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee Act, Agricultural Marketing and Farmer Friendly Reforms, Index for ranking states, proper management of education and water, subgroup of chief ministers on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, subgroup of chief ministers on Skill India, lecture series ECT. In 2015, it was established by the NDA government, replaced 65 years old Planning Commission of India. The NITI Ayog comprises all the state chief ministers along with the chief ministers of Delhi and Pondicherry, lieutenant governors of all union territories and a vice chairman nominated by the Prime Minister. In addition, temporary members are selected from leading universities and research institutions. These members include a chief executive officer, 4 ex officio members and 2 part-time members. The Commission carefully plans and structures new policies and then it executes them. The NITI Ayog is a replacement of the 65 years old Planning Commission that supervised the 5-year plans of the country. It makes essential policies for the citizens of India. It also provides the government with the strategies that need to be implemented. The organization also looks into both the domestic as well as the international issues that are of importance. The Prime Minister of India presides over the role of chairperson of NITI Ayog. It provides technical and strategic advice on the critical policy matters that pertain and encompass economic issues that are of international and national importance. It devises and makes the plans for different fields including health, agriculture, financial resources, industry, science and technology, etc. Looks forward to promote healthy competition among the developing states. The Ayog launched various educational programs which resulted into effective manner. NITI Ayog invites experts from various parts of the world to discuss and implement policies through the various programs. One of the aims of NITI Ayog is to develop mechanisms to formulate credible plans at the village level. One district, one product policy is a recent agenda of the NITI Ayog. Governing Council It intends to boost export at the district level. The Commission has decided to plan a study on the selected judgments and verdicts of Supreme Court and National Green Tribunal on the economy of India. It is also planning for the benefit of migrant workers, and the same is underway. It has framed a model act on conclusive land titles that it hopes will be adopted and implemented by states. The aim is to facilitate easy access of credit to farmers and reduce a large number of land related litigations and enabling transparent real estate transactions along with land acquisition for infrastructure developments. Recently, the NITI Aayog Vice Chairman had mentioned that the government will introduce the production linked incentive within bracket PLI scheme is to provide incentives to the